So a few days ago, me and my friend were having an argument on quantum theories, and he told me that my idea of the CCC, or conformal cyclic cosmology, was wrong because of this other theory called inflation theory, which would explain why the universe was so homogeneous. I didn't have an answer for him, but I would not lose. It was time to do some research, and so I stumbled upon the M theory. The M theory is a fascinating new developed theory about our world at a quantum level, and in this video, we're going to explore this theory and find out as much about it as we can. But if you're new here and you like physics topics explained in a fun and easy way, make sure to subscribe. Alright, so in this theory, we have one of the greatest bombshells you will ever hear, and listen to this carefully. There are 11 dimensions. Not 3, not 4, but 11. But how did this number randomly come here? Well, in string theory, which is an older version of this theory, they had mathematically proved that 10 dimensions existed. 9 spatial and 1 time dimension. The strings here could move in 10 dimensions even though they're only 1-dimensional. The M theory is basically the higher dimensional version of that theory with 11 dimensions, 10 space and 1 time. It's pretty crazy. This theory was created because all 5 10D superstring theories, just like the string theories, got unified into one 11-dimension theory, where strings move in higher dimensions. Okay, we have 11 dimensions now, that's amazing. But what does this mean for us? Well, in our daily human life, nothing changes. Yeah, you heard me right. We won't just randomly start moving in higher dimensions or bending reality to our will, sadly. But for our understanding of reality, everything changes dramatically. This theory is the first theory which allows quantum mechanics to coexist with gravity, with no mathematical errors. You see, until now, none of our theories could ever accurately model gravity and quantum mechanics at a high energy level, but this theory potentially allows us to. Okay, so finally, this theory could potentially prove the theory such as inflation theory wrong, which says at the Big Bang, everything was created in a split second. This seems to explain the homogeneity of the universe at the first glance, but I need to prove my friend wrong. In the M theory, brains are higher dimensional versions of the strings in string theory, and the Big Bang could have possibly been an interaction of these brains. This interaction smooths out energy distributions, which could happen from contractions and not the rapid inflation which is present in inflation theory. This is what I told my friend, and I felt amazing. I had won, but he smirked and told me to go check if M theory proves inflation theory wrong, which I felt pretty confident about. But no, I had actually helped him. M theory could actually be the reason why inflation makes sense. It seems that brain interactions could have actually caused inflation. I was destroyed. My friend had beat me again. But then I realized I had learned so much about quantum physics and these amazing theories that I had really won. I learned more than I would have if I decided to lose the first time. My curiosity had brought me true victory. So guys, be curious like a child. The world needs more of it. Bye.